Hey, it's me, Felicia Marie, and I'm fixing 2 holes in my lock. Here are my results. Keep on watching. So, y'all, I took my rat tail comb. I am the improvising queen, okay? The small crochet needle that I was using, I couldn't get it through the density of my lock. So you want to make sure that the rat tail is through both sides of your lock. And then I slid the crochet needle through that same opening. You want to make sure it's through both sides of your lock. And so, of course, naturally, I don't want to experience any issues with my locks, but things have happened along my journey. And here we are. I'm trying to fix it when I see it. And so I'm just going to pull my lock through that opening to try to close up that gap that I see. And make sure that you push your new knot down from the top, not from the bottom. We ain't trying to rip our locks out, but that worked best. And then you kind of want to just massage the area down and examine your lock. And so I still see a small gap that I'm going to close and just repeat the same steps. But I wanted to take a moment to just thank you guys for your continued support. I appreciate you for tuning in. It means a lot. If you've been rocking with me from the beginning, my 1 year is coming up in just a few weeks. Like, man, time has flown, really. And on here, I'm 11 months. I washed my hair for the first time with no braid and band. So it's looking a little more frizzy than usual. And I did my retie, but it's not looking that way. But it is what it is. And so I ran into a little knot here on this lock. And so I just massaged it down. And there you have it. So guys, take your time when you're correcting your locks so that you don't create more issues. And again, thanks for watching. I'm going to fix this last hole in my lock, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace and love.